Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to replace the oil filler boot or neck and oil filler caps gasket on a W210 M112 engine E320. This is a 2001 model, but it applies to the same procedure applies to many other cars. There is a look for these two tabs, the triangular tabs, one on the oil filler neck and the other, or the boot, and the other on the breather cover. When you turn the filler neck to the right on the breather cover, the two tabs overlap each other kind of perfectly, one riding over the other, while the two spring-loaded metal prongs on the bottom of the filler neck have a give of like a 1/4 inch or so, which allows the two triangular tabs to ride over each other and then lock together right as you hear the click. So that's how it works. And to remove it, you just use a flathead screwdriver to press it up right at that tab, as I showed before. And this is the gasket that helps. It's only $2 when you do this. It's good to replace these gaskets here, also on the fuel cap, but just to keep everything airtight. And I hope you find this video of use, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.